Welcome, third graders, to Home Learning, Day 38, May 21st, 2020. There's our work for today, boys and girls. Don't let that confuse you. You might think there's not a lot of work, but there's a lot of opportunities because as you look closer, 7-9, of course, for math. More glitter on your He Is Risen poster, which would be great to see some of those on Friday maybe, huh? And then check this out right here. And activities. So there's an activity sheet there that I sent along. Maybe some of you are ready to start doing that. Those additional activities. I already saw a poster of the Land of Water from one of you. It looked good. A lot of you saw it when that one girl in our class held it up. Boys and girls, you may have noticed there's an oops. I sent you your math work in an email to your parents. However, 7-9 does not have a student page. It just has the answer page, which is fine. I'm not going to resend that to you. I suppose I could. But the point of the activity is that you physically fold these fractions and mark them. If we're in the classroom, I'd have you color them too. So go ahead. Do it with the answer sheet and then mark your fractions and then color them. Go for it, boys and girls. Boys and girls, now it's time for a small celebration. We finished our whole math book. Woohoo! Yeah, here we go. Wow, just a small celebration because now you have to make your plan for the summer. What are you going to do to keep learning math? We've been talking about this during our video conferences. What kind of things are you going to do? You have to make your plan now, and I'm thinking about sending a few extra activities for your mom and dad to help you with. So I'm still thinking about that. We'll see. We'll talk about that tomorrow on our video conference. So good luck, guys, and congratulations. You went through this whole third grade math book. A+. Woohoo, woohoo. All right, boys and girls. I hope your He Is Risen poster's going well. Can't wait to see some of them. Get some glitter on there. Now, Seas Behind Trees. Wow, what a great book. Beautiful writing. Let's just go through the questions real super quick here. Chapter 8. How is an adventure alone different than an adventure shared? Well, probably that it's lonely. It's not as fun. We talked about that today. And Seas Behind Trees is now by himself. Where's Greyfire? We don't know. What are the two possible things that Seas Behind Trees thought might have happened to Greyfire? He's either drowned or united with his heart in that place of the Land of Water. Number 3, how do you think Seas Behind Trees feels physically after climbing out of the Land of Water? Why does he feel like this? Oh, he probably feels super tired and injured. It was a lot of physical work. What did Seas Behind Trees hear after leaving the Land of Water? He heard something through the silence. Maybe it was Chicha. How did Seas Behind Trees find his way back to Karnapatu's camp? Well, he could smell the fire. He followed the smell of the fire. In what condition did Seas Behind Trees find Karna and Patu's camp? It was destroyed. It was demolished. Who did Seas Behind Trees find in Karna's and Patu's camp? Only Chicha. What realistically might have happened to Karna and Patu? Well, it kind of looks like they were taken, maybe by some bad strangers. How did Seas Behind Trees find his direction in the forest on his way home? He felt the moss on the rocks, didn't he? What was the first landmark that Seas Behind Trees recognized as being close to home? It was the pond that Diver had lost her needle, in which Diver lost her needle. So, now write good sentences, complete sentences. Of course, make sure you start with proper nouns if you can. And I did not do that with this quick talk through, but you can certainly do that as you write your great, beautiful, wonderful, complete sentences out. And remember, third graders, as always, go Zephyrs!